Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. So, how are you all doing? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. And how was your weekend? Was it good? Huh? It was a long weekend. Yes, you had three vacations for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday as well, right? So it was a very long weekend. So, tell me how do you guys spend your weekend? Yes. Are there some special activities that you do on your weekends? Some special visits? Okay, that's very good. And do you guys revise your work as well? Lovely. See, I have a good students class. Okay, that's very good. So, did you revise numeracy lectures as well? What are the topics that we have covered so far? Right? Okay. So, tell me what was the topic we were doing in the last week? Placing values. Excellent. And what do placing values? Okay, tell me, are placing values and ones and tens, are they different topics or are they same? They are same. Okay, excellent. And tell me, what does it mean by placing values? What do we do basically in that? Yes, who is going to tell me? Raise your hands and I'll come to you one by one. Yes. Okay, let's start from Saad. Yes, Saad. Excellent. Placing values mean that we place numbers according to their special positions, right? Okay. And what are those special positions? Let's say I have two numbers. The one is 3 digit and the one is 2 digit. So how I would be placing that? If I want to add two numbers, the one is 3 digit number and the second one is 2 digit number. So what would be the strategy that I'll be using? Excellent. I'll be writing there, placing values above that, right? So it would help me to solve that. Very well done. Okay. So you guys have revised the lecture. That's very good. And we were doing the placing values. Placing values mean that we write numbers according to the specific positions that are already set by mathematical rules, right? Okay. So now I'm going to share the screen with you. There are some practice exercises. Let's take a small quiz or a starter activity, and then we will move forward and we'll do today's lecture. Okay, I'm going to share the screen. Okay, tell me, is the screen visible to you? Yes or no? Is it? Okay, perfect. So let me zoom it for you. Okay, there are abacus drawn in front of you. Well, you know that while we were practicing this, we practice it with the help of abacus, right? So, and how many numbers that we have already done? Can you tell me? From 1 till 70. Excellent. And in today's class we will be practicing from 70 till 80. Okay, so okay, there are some abacus drawn in front of you and we have already done these numbers. Okay, so just count the number of beads on both sides and tell me what would be the number. Okay, let's look at the first one, and we always start from left hand side. Excellent. So how many number of beads on one column? 3. And how many on tens? 1. So the number is 13. Excellent. Okay, let's ask Sarah next. Yes, Sarah. Count the number of beads on one's column. Yes. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Excellent. And how many on tens column? 2. So the number is 27. Very well done. Okay, your turns, Ahmad. Yes. Count the number of beads on one's column. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. And how many number of beads are there on tens column? 3. So the number is 34. Very well done. And who is going to tell me the spellings of 34? Yes. Okay, let's ask Alize. Yes, Alize. THIRTY 30. FOUR 4. Excellent. Now let's look at the next one. How many number of beads on one's column? 1. And how many on tens? 5. Excellent, Abdullah. So the number is 51. Very well done. Okay, now let's look at the next one. Who is going to tell me this one? Okay, yes, Sana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there is something interesting about this abacus. What is that? Yes, the number of beads on ones and tens column are same. So if we have 5 ones, we have 5 tens as well. So the number is 55. Very good. And the last one, who is going to tell me this? Yes. Okay. Yes, Saad. 2 ones and how many tens? 6 tens. So the number is 62. Excellent. Okay. Now clap. All of you clap for yourself. Okay. Yes, because all of you did the activity very well. Okay, so I'm also clapping for you guys. Okay, now let's move forward. And in today's class, because we practiced till 70, so whatever the practice that we have done was the number that was in between 0 to 70, right? Okay, now in today's class we will be practicing number from 70 to 80. So you know that whenever we are trying to write the numbers, I told you that there is something which would be same in all of the abacus, right? Okay, tell me, when we'll be practicing from 70 till 80, what would be the common thing? That on 10 side we will always have 7 number of beads. Excellent. I have already drawn the abacus on the board, and then we will be changing the number of beads on the ones column. So let's start it. Open your book. Open your book, page number 19. This will be doing today. This is your book, page number 19, and we will be practice writing number names from 71 till 80 according to the placing values or according to the number names. Okay, so hurry up, open your books, prepare the page, write today's date. Hurry up. Okay, I have already drawn 7 on the tens column, and it would remain same from 71 till 79, right? The number of beads on this column will remain same, but the number of beads on this side will vary, and we will start from where? From 1. If we have one number of bead over here, the number would be how many number of beads? Now we always count from left hand side. So how many ones? 1. And how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the number is 71. Excellent. And what are the spellings of 70? SEVENTY. 70. What we did, we know the spellings of 7 and we only added TY with that. So it has turned into 70. And the spellings of 1, everybody knows it, ONE, 1. Got it? So the number of beads on this side will remain same till 79, and then we will be done till 79. Then when after 79 we cannot add more bead on this column, right? We discussed it in the very first class, and we discussed it on everyday basis that we cannot add more than 9 beads on this column. So when we'll be adding 9, after that we will add one more over here, and then it will turns to 80. Excellent. Okay, now if I add one more over here, what would be the number? This is the same, so it has turned into now 2. So the number is 72. Excellent. Now if I add 2 more over here, what would be the number? Not 73, I have added 2 more. So now it's 74. Excellent. And what are the spellings of 4? FOUR. 4. Very well done. Okay, so now open your books. You know what you need to do? You are supposed to write number names from 71 till 79. Okay, and do let me know when you are done till that, and then we will do the next one together. Hurry up. Okay, so everybody's done till 79. Show me your work one by one. Yes. Okay, good, Elise. Yes, Sarah. Good. Ahmed, are you done? Hurry up. Okay, Abdullah is also done. Excellent. Okay, now look at the board. After you have done already till 79, now after 79, now if you want to add one more beads, we cannot add on this side, right? So where we will add it? Over here. Now how many number of beads on one side? No, so we will be writing it as 0. And how many on tens column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the number is 80. Excellent. And what are the spellings of 80? You know the spelling of 8? EIGHT. 8. And when we will add y with it, it would be turned into 80. Got it? Okay, hurry up, write it down. Okay, after you are finished in your book, the number names which are written in the form of words are not in a proper sequence. So you need to match it. You need to match it with the numbers written in the digital form. Let's say on the first, the number written is 73. So find 73 over here and match it with 73. Okay, now look at the next one, which is 75. Where is 75? Over here. So match it with 75. Now let's look at the next one. It is 71. So match it with 71. Hurry up, do it. Match the numbers which are written in the form of digits with the numbers written in the form of words. And let me know when you are done. Everybody is done? Okay, that was all for today. What is your home assignment? You need to revise the number names from 71 till 80, and then inshallah in tomorrow's class I'll be asking you randomly about the number names. Okay, do subscribe this channel and share this video with others because it's free learning for everyone. Do good and have good. Have a lovely day. Allah Hafiz. See you in the next class.